This is the grand finale. You know what I mean? Somebody have to win it, somebody have to go home. You know what I mean? So we get to the last final. Yeah, somebody go collect the money, you know. Let's go.
Alia, that reason me is.
Oh, not enough more space to them, they're up on around.
More space in there, man.
The grand finale. Yeah, man. Somebody win. Somebody lose. Yeah, man. Grab it to the most side. Can't watch it. Let's go.
So, 2 grand and 4